Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And today we have a little bit of a different video for you guys. You guys can see I'm inside. It's been rainy for like the past 4 days, and I think it's going to rain the next 2. So I figured it would be a good time to do this video. I've been thinking about it for a bit lately. You probably saw the title, and I'm trading in my Jeep, and then all of a sudden you see me like this. But basically, this video is kind of about trading in my Jeep because I'm thinking about it, to be honest. So right now, the trade-in values are ridiculously high on most cars, but especially the Jeeps right now. For whatever reason, the Jeep trade-in values have skyrocketed throughout the past year or so, but mainly over the past few months, I've noticed that they've gone up a lot. So I'm able to get actually more than what I paid for it when I initially bought the Jeep. I'm actually going to be able to trade it in for higher than that right now, even though I put miles on it. So that's kind of weird and kind of crazy how that's going right now. So I'm kind of debating if I want to do it. So I'm sure there'll be lots of new videos coming soon with me test driving stuff and checking different things out that I might potentially want to get into. But for now, I figured I'd make a video going over some different websites and seeing what they're going to give me for a trade-in value on my vehicle. Because my Jeep might be able to get a decent trade-in value. So we're going to go through and throw the VIN in here and check it out. I have 4 different tabs open, which I'll show the screen here now. So if we jump into the computer here, I have a couple different websites opened up. One is going to be Edmunds, then we got CarMax, and we have Vroom, and then Carvana, and then just the Kelley Blue Book trade-in kind of website that you can do. Yeah, so I'm just going to go through these and see if I can get a good trade-in value, see where it's at for mine, and just kind of make you guys aware that the trade-in values are really high right now. So if you're looking to get out of a Jeep Grand Cherokee or possibly upgrade to something else, then this might be the time to do it depending on what you can find. Obviously, I want the SRT, but the SRTs are kind of still high and they're getting pushed up as all the other things are going up, so they're going up. So it's kind of an iffy spot. So let's go ahead and just jump in here and start with the first one and see what we're going to get. I'll have to blur out and put the camera up full screen or whatever for different spots where I'm entering information. But yeah, let's see what we can get and let's go through and fill this stuff out. I probably should have prepared myself and got this VIN earlier that I have written down in my phone. But you know, here we are. So let me go ahead and type this in. All right, let's see. See our car's value. Now it's going to ask for some more information. I'm going to keep all this blurred out, but it's just asking you your basic information if you guys are going to do this. I'll put the links down below for all these different websites that I'm using if you guys want to go ahead and check them out and see what you're going to get on your own vehicle. But let's see what this Edmunds one is going to tell us our car is worth. So we'll do that, and then we're going to select that it's white. Okay, mine does not have, I guess it has the audio system, I guess. Full-size non-matching spare tire, yeah, I think it has that. I'd say that mine is clean. I wouldn't say that it's outstanding, and has around 34,250. It's the number I'm going to use for all these, and we'll see. Ever been in an accident? No. Flood and frame damage? No. Flood damage? No. Mechanical issues? No. Odometer? No. Is there any panels that need paint or body work? I'm going to say no. I mean, the hood probably could, but that's a warranty thing that I could just handle before, and it wouldn't even matter. So no on the interior, no on the rips and tears. Any tires? No. How many keys? 2 or more. Modifications. Now this is an interesting thing because obviously my car does have modifications. So I'm going to test, I'll probably test like 1 or 2 of these with and without modifications and see what it gives me. Because I'm thinking that it's going to be lower with modifications, which I plan to remove most of them, if not all of them anyway, and then just sell them privately because it's easier to just sell them privately used and then just get that extra money to recoup and put into new mods on whatever new vehicle. So does Vehicle have any aftermarket? I'm going to say no for now. And is there issues? No. Continue. See my car's value. Now it's going to ask me. So this one is saying that CarMax is willing to offer me well above market value and almost 31,000, 3,700. So that's what it's saying for CarMax. But I'm actually going to do one on CarMax and see what it says on there. And then obviously they're going to want you to bring it in. They're going to knock that even lower. But yeah, so it says right here 3,700 for that. So let me go ahead and go to this one and just do it actually on CarMax and see what it's going to give me. I think CarMax is probably one where they give you like they're that kind of thing where it's going to be like, oh, we'll give you this amount, just bring it in so we can check it out. Then you bring it in to check it out, and then guess what happens? They're lowering it because they found issues and paint scratches and dings and this. So yeah, all right, we're going to select all these different things. We're going to say it's automatic. It has the navigation. It has, I'm going to say Alpine sound system because it does. It has like the upgraded sound system. I don't know what you would call that, but we're going to say that. It's got the remote start, rear backup camera. It has rear parking sensors, so I guess those, I don't know. Power hatch / deck lid, yep. Mileage and condition. 34,250. Accident, no. Frame damage, no. Flood damage, no. Mechanical issues, no. Odometer, nar. Are there any panels? Nar. No. Hail damage, nope. Broken, nope. 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 2 or more, nope. No. Continue. It's going to probably say the same thing, right? Because it's all just being the other one. It just took it from the same place. How are you going to give me a lower rate? How are you going to drop me $100 for the same exact question, the same exact answers that you gave me here? Seems like a scam, CarMax. If you're watching, I'm looking at you guys. All right, let's see Vroom. So this is one of those ones where you can, like, they come and pick it up and then they would drop it off at your door. Same thing as Carvana. It's like an online. They don't have an actual location type of thing. So let's go ahead and fill this one out and see what we're going to get. 34,250. Exterior color is going to be white. Say 2 keys. There's a CD player. Front license plate bracket. It has, by the way, I just don't have it. Kind of add it in there, but I have it. That black suede sweeps, black stitching. Yep. Yeah, it has all that stuff. Accident, no. I'd say clean, sure. I'll say average. Leather, no. Continue. I'll say average, no. Under 5K. Aftermarket modifications, none. If you're watching this, it has 0. Unless you're an actual viewer and you're not from this company, then check out my other videos if you want to find out what kind of mods it has. No, and does it run and drive? Of course it runs and drive. All right, let me fill this out. You guys can't see this, so yeah, just go to this commercial break. So we got our price here from Vroom, and their price, $30,629. I'm not sure how they came up with that number and why the other one, this is basically in between the other two. So the first CarMax one gave me a $30,700. This one gave me $30,600, and now this one, $30,629. So they one-upped CarMax by $29, guys. So maybe Vroom or whatever this Vroom is going to be a good option. Let's see. We're going to go ahead and check out Carvana here, which I've done this one a couple times before because, you know, I'm always interested in what they want to give me. So we're going to go through and fill this out once again and see what kind of offer we can get. So Carvana came back at $28,930, which is a complete, when you go to all these other ones and they're almost $2,000 more. So I don't think I will go to Carvana, but I am still going to see how much lower that goes because now I'm interested. If they're only offering that amount for that, what are they going to offer if it had modifications in it? Let me see if I can go back and change that. So with checking the modifications thing with the same information, it drops it down to $27,315. So yeah, I would probably just remove them and sell them anyway. But this is kind of the reason why if you modify your vehicles, it kind of sucks to trade them in and you're kind of better off just selling privately because there's probably going to be someone that could get some use out of what you've already done to your Jeep or your car or whatever. So yeah, let's just do this last one on Kelley Blue Book, and then I think we're going to have to call it. It's looking like those other ones, though. We're given a much better offer here. All right, so now Kelley Blue Book gave me $29,707. So basically, I feel like I could get roughly around like 30 to 31 accurately if I were to go trade it in, which I only paid 29 flat when I first got it. And I probably could have even got lower on that. I didn't really haggle too much. I was just like 29 is a good rate because I'd been looking around for them in this kind of color and like mileage and just condition overall. It looked really good inside and out. So yeah, 29,000 on this one, and then 27 here with modifications, which that's a scam. 30,000 here and 30,000 there, and then this one obviously being our best one with 30,700 from CarMax, which is kind of weird because then it gave us a cheaper rate. So I think that's going to be about it for this video. Let me know down below what you guys are getting for trade-in values on yours. If you guys have an altitude especially, I want to know what you guys are getting, what your mileage is and stuff like that. Or if you guys sold yours previously or traded yours in recently and got a good rate, or sold it privately and had a good experience selling it privately. But let me know down below in the comment section about that kind of stuff, because I'm thinking about trading it in possibly and getting something else for the channel here, and switching up and doing something else, you know. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that like button down below. Help the YouTube algorithm, help this video get out to more people, and of course help the channel grow. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
I feel like I am losing control.